girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Hello?
Is the heart of a woman, yeah. Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman, yeah. Question is why I do the things I do. Answer I may never find, but I'll always choose you. Wanna give up on you, but damn, I know I can't. I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. And I try to be strong. I put your words on your life this time. And I hope your words ain't lying, 'cause thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman, yeah. Oh yeah. The thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman, yeah. It's my mind and my soul, pressing your pride. Nigga, check your ego, 'cause I left mine at the door, just because I let it slide. Drowning all of my emotions, I let you slide in this ocean. I'm in love, and I try to be strong. I put your words on your life this time. And I hope your words ain't lying, 'cause no one can take it no more. I'm bound to walk out the door.
so damn important. Everything you do, show me you know it. Behind it all, you are the moment. Don't tell you enough, but baby, I'll show it, show it. Say the king where we come from. Say I'm queen, it's no one. So baby, I'ma drive it like it's stolen. I'ma fix it like it's broken. We can catch a flight in London. Go to the mall for the lump sum. Maybe you can try to catch up to us. But they're too busy making us something. Boy, you know all I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you. All I do is drive myself and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Ashimary hair, and today you guys, we have one of the most perfect ready to go, ready to wear type of units. And you guys know this is like my classic like go-to look. I love a good curly middle part. Today I am reviewing one of Ashimary's 13x6 water wave units, and this unit, as you guys saw, came with a pre-cut hairline. This unit also comes with bleach knots, and they also pluck the hairline for you as well. So I did go ahead and use the tape that they gave us. I've been trying to do that a little bit more. This is like my second time actually doing it on a unit, and I'm really happy with the results. I feel like it looks really good, and it actually is really secure as well. Like, it's not like something that is easily like it's not something that you can easily just like lift off, and it has just the right amount of security for me, and I love that. And I didn't do the entire perimeter, I only did the sides. This middle section here is not taped down. Now when it came to the hairline, I noticed that they kind of gave you like that small like widow's peak, you know, like where it goes into a point. I know like a lot of girls are doing that, but I like the way that they did it because it's more subtle. It's not like so obvious, and it's not like really harsh, and you know what I mean, and it just looks really good. I love how like natural it looks, and you guys know, of course, I love the curl pattern on here. Now this is a tighter curl pattern for me. They do say that this is their water wave, and they said that this is a 24 inch, but honestly this is way longer than 24 inches because typically they'll go off of the stretch length. So even if I take all of this and I pull it down, like it goes all the way down here. So this is where it starts. I mean, I can even just take like another strand from the back here. It's just like really, really long. This doesn't seem like 26. This doesn't seem like 24 to me. This looks more like a 26 inch. So that's good too. So if you do order the 24, at least you know you're gonna get your money's worth, because this is how long and full it is. And I like that even though it is like of a tighter curl pattern, it's not overwhelming and it's not just like a really big afro or anything. And this is with all of it up front, so this is a very full unit. I would say this is about 180% density to even possibly 200% density. It's really full, but I love this unit because it just came out so perfect. It just looks so good. As far as the construction of this unit, so this unit does have the elastic band, of course, that most units have. I also like that the combs that are in this unit, they're removable. You can easily just slide them out. You don't have to like use a razor and cut them out, because I typically do that with my units, but I like the fact that this one, you can literally just pull the comb right out. Also, it has the pull strap in the back, which I did show you guys how to use. You literally just pull it and then you adjust it with the little, it's like a little circle in there. You just slide that down and tighten it, and then you just tuck it right up underneath your unit and you're ready to go. And it gives you like a nice snug fit, and it's not like hurting my ears or it's not like hurting my head. It's not like too tight, because sometimes the units like they like hurt like right behind your ear when you wear it after a while because it's so tight. But I like that this one is just very comfortable, so I'm really loving this. Like, look how pretty and full this is. Like, I absolutely am in love with this right now. I love when I get an Ashimary package because they always do me right. And the lashes that I have on right now, you guys, they are my current favorite lashes, and they sent some more lashes. So I'm like, anytime that I see the Ashimary lashes now, I'm gonna keep them, because I was like running out of lashes, and I had like a pair that I had like for forever, and I was just like, you know how you wear them until like oblivion and it's just like, okay, you can't wear them anymore. So I was like, oh, these lashes that Ashimary gave me look really good. I'm gonna try these out. And y'all, I absolutely love these lashes. Like, I've been wearing them for like the past week, and I just love how these look. They're just so pretty. But these are a little bit different from the ones that they sent me in this order. But I'm just letting you guys know, if you do get the Ashimary lashes, definitely keep them because they're so pretty. And mind you, these are doubled. I have 2 lashes because it comes in a 3-pack and I have 2 of them doubled. But let me show you the ones that they gave me. Maybe they are the same that I got. I think these are the same ones now that I'm looking at them. Yeah, they are. These are the same. Okay, I thought they were a little bit different from the other ones, but they're not. So right now I have these and these stacked together, and then the ones that look like this, I still have them. I just didn't use them from like my previous order. But yeah, I stacked those lashes and this is what it looks like. So definitely keep these. I'm keeping these. These are really good quality lashes, and I like the fact that they're not too long. You guys remember when we were wearing those 25mm lashes? Like, I have found a pair that I had like from a long time ago and I hadn't worn them. I just found them like in my makeup drawer or whatever, and I was just like, bro, these are way too long. I can't believe we were wearing lashes that long. But these are like the perfect length. They look really pretty. And you guys see what my eyes are giving. I was just like, girl, anytime I get an Ashimary package now, I'm keeping these. So make sure you keep them because they got really good lashes. But yeah, all in all, I absolutely love this unit. I love the fit to it. I am gonna come up a little bit closer just so you guys can see like what the hairline and everything is giving with the tape, because I'm really surprised. Like, now I'm gonna start using the tape. Like, we just trying new things, you know what I mean? Like, I was like, let me actually use the stuff that they give me. So I did use the tape today, and I gotta show y'all how it turned out. I did it earlier like in the video, but I'm gonna show y'all again. This part right here is not glued down, y'all, okay? This is not glued down. This is how bomb this unit is. I only had to tape down this part right here, but girl, yes, I'm loving this. But yeah, look at how natural that hairline looks. It's so seamless. I did put some concealer in my part. I just used the LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn. And then yeah, but this is what it's looking like on the sides. Like, if you wanted to, you could pluck it more, but it's plucked really good still. And I like the way that they bleached the knots. It's not like overdone. And this is with taping it down. And honestly, before I even taped it down or did anything to it, it just looked good, like right out of the package. So I was really happy with that as well. But this is what this side looks like. And then this is what the other side looks like. And like I said, it is taped down, you guys. Like, I cannot stress that enough, okay? Bomb. And I really like the fact that they didn't, like, whoever made the hairline, they didn't do it straight across, because even like the side parts right here, like where my ear is, the hair actually came out like more to the front. It wasn't like going towards the back, because most units, they go like around the hairline, they'll go a little bit further back right here, but this one went forward, so I was able to still have a lot of hair here in the front, like when I cut around my ear. So I like that too about it. So you get a nice like full install. It looks really good. And I didn't add any baby hair to it because I just feel like when you have a hairline that looks this good, you don't need to like add all that stuff to it. Like I said, it is a 13 by 6 and you do get a lot of parting space even like on the side here. It's not like one of those horseshoe frontals, it's a full frontal. You see what I'm saying? Typically right here you will have a bunch of tracks with other units, but this one you still get all this right here is all lace. So I like that about it. And then of course you got this deep part here. Honestly, this is a win-win-win all across the board. I have nothing negative to say about it. One thing that I will mention though, because of this curl pattern, it is really, really pretty. I don't have any product on it either, by the way. I just put a little bit of water here at the top, but I don't have anything on this hair. This is just like how the hair came. But because of the curl pattern, it's gonna be on the more like high maintenance side. So just be sure that when you wear this unit that you're making sure that you're detangling it. Anytime you detangle, you always want to start from the ends, like combing from the ends and then work your way up. Never do it while it's dry. I see a lot of girls doing that because they're watching like people do their hair on TikTok. Don't do that, okay? Anytime you detangle your hair, you always want to make sure you detangle your hair when it's completely wet. And typically I do it when I have conditioner on the hair and after the conditioner has actually sat on the hair for a little bit, okay? And then you want to detangle it, and that way you can reduce like the shedding and further damage to the hair. So that's just my little pro tip. But yeah, you guys, absolutely love this one. If you're interested in checking it out for yourself, I will have a link for it down below along with all the details. Shout out to all of you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know by liking the video. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Ashimary Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit because it's going to be my new everyday unit. I'm literally going to be wearing this every day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Shout out to Ashimary Hair for sponsoring today's video, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.